Hello everyone, this is my 1971 Type 3 Volkswagen Fastback. I've been having a couple problems with the battery not charging, and I believe it is a problem with the generator. Yes, that's right, generator, not an alternator. I thought about getting an alternator, but that would be an extra few $100. So decided to just go with the generator. So you guys will get to watch me install that, and hopefully it goes well. Alright, so because we're working with electrical components, I'm going to need to disconnect the battery to make sure that we don't get electrocuted. Now to do that, you're just going to want to remove the back seat, and I'm just going to take off one of the terminals using this wrench. What I just did here is I removed the nut from this and then just pried it up with a screwdriver and separated it from the metal so that we don't get electrocuted. Now if you have a Type 3, the engine is going to be in the rear, as I'm sure you already know, and you just pull that to pop the trunk. This is my new generator. It weighs like 400 pounds. And this is the old one that we're going to replace, and we're also going to replace this coil at the same time. So we literally just have to take this out, move this out of the way, and then put the new one just right here.
Alright, so change of plans. It looks like there's no keyhole to lock this pulley to get it off, so we're going to undo this strap and tilt the generator forward to get the belt off, and then slide the generator back and get ready to put the new one on.
Basically what we just did is we removed all the wires it was connected to, and then you're literally able to just bend this metal back and then push it forward once you get this belt off of it. You want to keep it around the big wheel, but as soon as you just take it off of the small one up here and keep it off of the generator, you'll be able to slide it forward and then just maneuver it from there. Alright, I've got some bad news and some good news. Good news first. We were able to get the generator out and the coil out and put the new ones in. Just a tip, I took a picture of where all the wires go before we detach them. That should help out a lot, just so you guys don't forget. Now, the bad news is this. We jumped her, she started working, running. We had her run for maybe 15 minutes by herself just to charge the generator, and then I took her for a drive around the park I live near, and it went around a couple times, but at a stop sign I stopped and she just died, and so I had to put her in neutral, push her off to the side, and it was horrible. It's really sad and embarrassing. Someone asking me if I needed help. I started crying. Alright, that was a little rough, not gonna lie, but as you all can see, she is now running amazingly. 1 second. So yeah, it wasn't a problem with the generator, as I just said, but it was a problem with the voltage regulator, which is just under the seat, right there, that little guy. Cost me a little bit more money, but definitely worth it. I've been driving her for over a week now. Sorry it took a while to post the update, but I did make a video on installing the voltage regulator, so if you guys want to see that, just click on the link somewhere, and yeah, another challenge that I rose to and defeated. So yeah, see you in the next video.